Hi everyone, and thank you for tuning into this month's Screener newsletter. This is Carl Reed, and I'm a member of the customer success team here at YCharts. In this video, we'll be trying to identify the most attractive funds in the small cap categories. The significant underperformance of this category versus other market cap exposures has been the reason for some negative attention lately. This is illustrated in the following chart that compares the MSCI USA large cap, mid cap, and small cap indices over the last year. As we can see, large cap has outperformed mid cap by a little over 3%, while outperforming small cap by over 11% during that same time frame. Knowing this, many of our clients have been reviewing their small cap positions to see if there is a better alternative available. To screen for small cap funds, navigate to the Fund Screener. To import the funds, first intersect one of the three small cap categories through the Modify option. After clicking on Modify, select Category Name, and then the first of our three small cap options, Small Blend, and then click on Submit. Once the screen is down to just Small Blend funds, add Small Growth and Small Value to the results by clicking on Modify once again. Instead of intersecting these two categories with the current results, we want to add these two categories, so select the Add option. Next, navigate back to the small cap categories, select both the Small Growth and Small Value category, and click Submit to add these funds to the results. To whittle down the screen further, I typically see clients using two popular metric filters that I'll go through now. The first ensures that the remaining funds have outperformed the majority of their peers over the last 5 years. To do this, click on Add Filter, search for the metric 5-year rank in category, set the inequality dropdown to less than or equal to, and type 25 in the bottom metric field. This filter ensures that each of the remaining funds is in the top quartile of their respective category when looking at returns over the last 5 years. The second filter I see over and over again is incredibly similar. All you're going to do is replace 5-year rank in category with expense ratio rank in category. After doing this, you know that the remaining funds are ranked in the top quartile of their respective category in terms of expenses and 5-year returns. The final filter that you can apply depends on if you are bullish or bearish about current markets. Either way, click on Add Filter one more time and select Equation. If you believe that markets will gain over the next couple of months, apply the metric of 1-year upside. The 1-year upside metric is a measure of a fund's performance during positive months for the S&P 500. Any value of over 100 means that a fund has outperformed the S&P 500 during those positive months. After applying that filter, you're down to 24 funds, and sorting on any of the metric columns will point you to a specific fund to continue your research. Now let's say you are on the bearish side of things. You can edit the last filter we made by clicking on the pencil icon of that filter. Simply replace 1-year upside with 1-year downside, and then change the inequality to less than or equal to, and click Submit. The remaining funds will have outperformed the S&P 500 during months that the S&P 500 has lost value. And again, sorting by any column header will be a great way to start further analysis on one of these remaining funds. If you do happen to be creating this screen on your account as we go through this, be sure to save it by clicking on New Fund Screen and Save As. If you have any questions about this screen, feel free to contact your support representative by navigating to the Contact Us page under Support. Thanks again for joining, and have a great day.